This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee for opening day of the 2025 Orlando RV Show. The 2025 Orlando RV Show has officially arrived at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee, Florida. After days of setup, the gates are open and it's time to welcome RV enthusiasts from all over Central Florida and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned RVer, a first-time buyer, or just here to explore, this show has something for everyone. This is the only multi-dealer RV show in Central Florida and the best opportunity to compare multiple manufacturers and product lines all in one location. 5 of the top local dealers are here bringing hundreds of RVs of all types, from luxury Class A motorhomes to family-friendly Class Cs, compact and rugged Class B camper vans, and a huge selection of fifth wheels, travel trailers of all sizes, destination trailers, and toy haulers. Explore the Class A motorhomes, the largest and most luxurious option, with spacious floor plans, residential style kitchens, and premium amenities for those who love to travel in style. For those looking for something more compact yet still packed with high-end features, Class B camper vans offer incredible convenience, easy drivability, and modern technology perfect for solo travelers or couples. If you're in the market for something in between, Class C RVs provide a great balance of space and maneuverability, making them a popular choice for families and road trip enthusiasts. For those who prefer a towable option, fifth wheels offer a home-like experience with multiple slide-outs, large living areas, and high ceilings, perfect for extended stays or full-time RVing. Travel trailers, available in a variety of sizes, provide versatility for families and adventurers alike, with lightweight options for easy towing, or larger destination trailers that are truly a home on wheels. And for those who want to bring their outdoor toys along, fifth wheel or travel trailer toy haulers come equipped with spacious garages to transport motorcycles, ATVs, and more without sacrificing comfort. One of the biggest advantages of shopping at a multi-dealer RV show is the ability to compare different brands and models side by side instead of driving from dealership to dealership. Everything is right here, making it easy to walk through multiple floor plans, check out the latest features, and find the best fit for your needs. Whether you're looking for something spacious for long-term travel or a smaller RV perfect for weekend getaways, the selection here is unmatched. Beyond the hundreds of RVs on display, the show also features a vendor tent with a variety of RV lifestyle booths. These booths offer valuable resources for RVers, providing products, services, and expert advice to help make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Make sure to stop by the iPad tables at the entrance to register for the daily door prize giveaway. A $100 gift card is given every day of the show. If you're craving a snack or frosty cold drink, we even have barbecue at the show. And with free parking, it's easy to take your time and enjoy everything the show has to offer. The 2025 Orlando RV Show is being held March 13th through 16th at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of our amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.